My name is Neeraj Tobit. I am studying fourth class. Today topic is onion. This is an onion. ఇది ఒక ఉల్లిపాయ. This is a big onion. ఇది ఒక పెద్ద ఉల్లిపాయ. Onion is a vegetable.